This is Code Combat. I'm working on Known Enemy, the Python version. If you're doing this as a class, I'm working on Introduction to Computer Science, level 15. Goals. Your hero must survive. Defeat 3 ogres. Declare a variable like this. We're at variables. So enemy 1 equals crat, in quotes. When using quotes, crat, you are making a string. When you don't use quotes, enemy1, you are referencing the enemy1 variable. This is going to be super confusing at first. So, you can, and remember comments, hashtag there for us, not the computer, you can use a variable like a name tag. So what this means, like in math where sometimes you'll have 2 plus x equals 4, so x must equal 2, or 3 minus 1 equals 2. 3 minus x equals 2. X equals 1 then. Okay? So a letter or a symbol can stand for something else. In code, we can make x equal crat, or Frank equal crat, or anything. Enemy 3 equal crat. All we're saying is, hey, this is now a new name for whatever this is. So I can have enemy 1 like they did here, and then I'll attack enemy 1. I can have enemy 2 too. That works. But let's say I'm going to call Ursa Frank. Okay? It's going to work just the same. Attack. I do need to attack enemy 2 because I need to attack Gert one more time. Enemies take 2 hits. Okay? I'm going to get rid of that line. And then I need to attack. And now, instead of saying Ursa, it wants me to say the variable. Now, enemy 3 would make sense, but I decided to name our third enemy Frank. So that's what I get to attack. I'm going to hit enter, and now I'm going to attack Ursa, whose new name is Frank, again. If your name's Frank, my bad. Let's hit run. Boom, boom, and boom. And your hero notice still says Ursa, because when the computer reads this, hero attack Frank. Ursa. It immediately knows what you mean. Great.